Hello, Simai, and welcome to another episode of Welsh Phrase of the Week. I'm William Hugh, and I'm a Welsh learner. Well, with just over a week to go until Christmas is upon us, this next phrase should be very handy. And the phrase is, Nadolig Llawen a Blwyddyn Newydd Dda. Nadolig Llawen a Blwyddyn Newydd Dda, which means Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Nadolig Llawen a Blwyddyn Newydd Dda. I'll say it slower so you can get the pronunciation. Nadolig Llawen a Blwyddyn Newydd Dda. Nadolig Llawen a Blwyddyn Newydd Dda. So, until next time, Nadolig Llawen a Blwyddyn Newydd Dda.